Welcome to the B2B Breakthrough Podcast. We're here to bring you all the best knowledge, insights, and strategies from e-commerce experts, successful business owners, and the team at Alibaba.com that you'll need to grow your business and achieve your next big breakthrough. I'm your host, Sierra Cristo.
Things are so much easier. It's at my fingertips. If I want to find the right factory, I can use Axio. If I want to find products that are similar in the industry that I want to expand my brand, I can use Axio. If I want to make a business plan, which I tested, it was unbelievable. I put in, for example, I tried a barber shop, I tried a roller rink. And what was interesting is that it showed me all the things that I needed for those type of businesses. I was just playing around. I guess one day I needed a haircut, another day I heard about something else. But it's interesting because it'll give you a plan, give you some predictions of what those industries, their forecast of how well they do. And then it's going to also suggest some of the things that I need to buy. Yes, we're inventors, but when I talk to inventors, a lot of times when it's pretty much the similar type of thing that they're coming up with, it doesn't mean that you have to stop. If you were going to move forward anyway, then buy what already exists. Buy that handy bag that's for the front seat to put something in, like a little container or something. If yours was different, but there's similar ones out there, then buy those containers and act as if that was your invention without spending the money on patents, and put it on. Come up with a good name, add some other product to it, wrap it around in a brand, and now sell it. And that's the beauty of this today, is that things are so easy for us to capture and make something and build a brand on it. And you know what, Sierra, these days you don't have to be in a retail store to be successful. There's so many different ways to sell product.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many different ways for people to sell and be successful. And again, what does success mean? That's for everybody, specifically for their goals to determine. But anything is possible these days. Anything can get done.
As you work with AI, where do you notice the shortcomings and where your own intuition can kind of fill in, and how do you reconcile the two notions? Because you have to trust your own gut at a certain point and say, yeah, it's a great idea, but it's not what I'm going for, and try to find a new way forward.
It's trust. It's almost like you're talking to somebody and what they're giving you, do you believe? Do you validate? I'm very big into references. So how am I going to believe what you say? So I find myself bouncing to these AI platforms, and I keep, I'm mentioning it's a great tool. And I've had the chance also to work as a beta tester on it, to work with your development team to even tighten it up, like things that I was stuck on getting through things and then them fixing it and then making it easier. So I'm proud to be a part of that. And it's just knowing that these tools are available. So yeah, I can kind of work on some of the other AI platforms. And then I come in here for more of the business side, for more of the product side, for more of the manufacturing side, to really put it all together. And then again, going through and vetting the factories and then getting it to a point where I got my pre-production sample and I know that I can hit the green light, or the pre-production sample gets sent to the inventor and they hit the green light and now they have 3,000 units in their garage. And it's an amazing experience.